In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Udemy. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll confidently know how to manage the currency settings on your Udemy account. This is especially useful if you're looking to purchase courses while residing in a different country than the one your account was initially set to. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your Udemy account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account and take advantage of the wide variety of courses offered. Once you're logged in, navigate around and select a course that interests you. Add this course to your cart, as this will be important later on in the process. Just click on the Add to Cart button visible on the course page. It's a simple step, but remember, adding a course to your cart is crucial for accessing the checkout where currency settings can be adjusted. Now that you have a course in your cart, move your attention to the cart icon, typically located in the top navigation menu of the site. Clicking on this icon will allow you to proceed to the checkout page, which is where all the magic happens. On this page, you will provide your payment information and finalize your purchase. But more importantly, it's where you can change the currency settings according to your preference. As you reach the checkout page, locate the section that refers to your billing address. It should be quite visible and usually includes fields for your name, address, and country. This is where you will make the necessary changes to reflect your current geographic location. Click on the drop-down menu found within the billing address section, specifically next to the country option. From here, select the country that corresponds to the currency you wish to use for your transactions. This action updates the billing settings, thereby affecting the currency that is displayed during checkout and resulting billing. Once you've selected the new country from the drop-down menu, continue with completing the checkout process. Carefully check all your billing information to ensure everything is correct before finalizing the purchase. Always double-check, as this can prevent any unexpected issues during the transaction. However, if you encounter any problems during this process, or if the currency doesn't change as expected, Udemy provides additional support. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you will find a Contact Us option. This is where you can reach out to Udemy's customer service for further assistance or to solve any issues that might arise. And there you have it. Now, you're all set to change the currency on Udemy with ease, allowing you to focus on your learning journey without any hassle. Enjoy exploring new courses and happy learning.